March ended with Ghibli's images posted all over the internet, but a lot happened in AI apart from Ghibli. So I'm here to update you with the latest and a few AI controversies in March 2025. A quick summary first. So OpenAI turned ChatGPT into an image generator. Elon Musk's XAI jumped into visuals too. Google and Tencent dropped their most advanced models yet. India doubled down with Krutrim, and even Reliance Jio revealed a cloud-based AI PC. And while some companies were busy building the futures, others were cleaning house. With over 18,000 tech layoffs in just the first few months of 2025, many linked to the shift toward AI. So Meta faced copyright backlash, Perplexity made a bold bid for TikTok, and OpenAI teased elite AI agents, including one with a $20,000 monthly fee. Let's break down everything that happened clearly and in detail so you are all caught up. So on 25th March 2025, OpenAI launched its first advanced image generation model, GPT-4o. So the model excels in rendering text accurately, following prompts with greater precision, and maintaining consistency across multiple iterations. So you don't need to use DALL-E separately anymore. So their new 4o model can now generate images directly in the chat. Then Ghibli style pictures take over X thanks to ChatGPT's new image generation feature. So Studio Ghibli is one of the world's most famous animation studios, known for its beautiful hand-drawn movies. So ex-CEO Elon Musk has also joined in on the fun. He shared an image of himself as Rafiki from The Lion King, triumphantly holding up dog like the future ruler of the meme kingdom. So he says the Ghibli style images are the theme of the day. While the whole world was spamming X with Studio Ghibli style images, so many struggled to get their ChatGPT to generate even one of these images. So Altman wrote in a post on X, he says in order to fix his overload, OpenAI will limit the number of image generation requests allowed per account. So if you want to generate more Ghibli style images, be ready to pay $20. On the same 25th March, Google launched Gemini 2.5, their most intelligent AI model yet. So in a blog post, the CTO of Google DeepMind wrote that with Gemini 2.5, we have achieved a new level of performance by combining a significantly enhanced base model with improved post-training. So Gemini 2.5 Pro is available now in Google AI Studio and in the Gemini app. Then again on 25th March, Zendesk introduced AI-driven resolution platform at Relate 2025 event in Las Vegas. So it unveils significant advancements centered on integrating AI into customer and employee service. On March 27, Perplexity AI CEO and co-founder Arvind Srinivas, while speaking at an event to announce Perplexity's partnership with Paytm, said that India must build its foundation AI models to stay competitive on the global stage. So it is essential to have the skill set to compete on the same benchmarks as everyone else. India needs the capability to train models independently, which requires both infrastructure and talent, Srinivas said. So the next generation of engineers should have something to aspire to, just like India's low-cost satellite launches have been an inspiration. So the same should be true for building world-class AI models, he added. Now moving ahead on March 28th, the Chinese AI company DeepSeek just dropped an upgraded version of its V3 language model. And it's pretty impressive, friends. It's better at reasoning and coding, and early tests show it performs really well. So they have made it available on Hugging Face, which is a popular platform for AI models. That means more people can try it out. Now, this isn't DeepSeek's first big release. They have been steadily improving their models and are now starting to look like real competition for big players like OpenAI and Anthropic. So one of their major selling points, lower costs to run the model, which could be a game changer, especially for companies on tight budgets. Then Tencent just launched its new AI model called T1, and it's built to be smart, fast, and really good with long content. Now it runs on Tencent's powerful Turbo S engine and apparently does better than DeepSeek's model in reasoning tests with fewer mistakes, aka hallucinations. So this model isn't brand new. They tested it earlier, but now it's officially out. So T1 is already being used in their AI assistant called Yuanbao, which focuses on giving accurate, logical, and easy to understand responses. Now, Meta or Facebook is in the new controversy for using pirated books to train its AI. Now, according to a report by The Atlantic, Meta used books from a shadow library called LibGen, which has millions of copyrighted titles, all without permission from the authors. Leaked internal emails show Meta knew exactly what it was doing and even saw those books as super important for building their AI models. So understandably, a lot of authors are upset that their work was used without the consent. And the whole thing has sparked big ethical questions about copyright and fair use in the AI world. Now, Elon Musk's xAI just jumped into the image generation game. They have launched a new API that lets you create images from text using their Grok 2 Image 1212 model. You can now get up to 10 JPEGs per request, and each one costs about 7 cents. So right now it's a bit basic when it comes to customization, but xAI says more features are coming soon. So this is a part of a bigger push. They are also working on video generation, building more data centers, and reportedly raising $10 billion to hit a massive $75 billion valuation. Now, if we'll talk about the first week of the March, then on March 1st, it was announced that Reliance Jio is working on an AI-powered personal computer that runs entirely on the cloud. So Akash Ambani, chairman of Reliance Jio, shared the news at Mumbai Tech Week, call it a cloud PC. So this cloud-based computer won't need any fancy hardware and can work on any screen, so making it accessible and affordable for users who want to run powerful AI applications. It sounds quite similar to AWS EC2. Now, Ambani also warned that companies not adopting AI may fall behind and said Jio's cloud-first platform is designed to scale easily to millions of users. He also introduced JioBrain, an upcoming tool that will offer machine learning as a service, making it easier for businesses to use AI without needing any deep technical knowledge. So the full launch is expected in the coming months. Now, on March 3rd, it was reported that over 18,000 tech workers were laid off in the first few months of 2025, according to layoffs.fyi. Now, big names like Google, Meta, Microsoft, HP, and Workday all cut jobs, reasons being shifting focus to AI, boosting productivity and dealing with economic challenges. Now, other companies like Autodesk, eBay, Shopify, TikTok, and Skybox Security also made layoffs, showing a larger trend across the industry. So many businesses are tightening the budgets and restructuring to keep up with the market changes. Now, on March 6th, it was announced that Bhavish Agrawal's AI startup Krutrim is teaming up with Lenovo to build India's largest supercomputer and a powerful AI model called Krutrim 3. So at the Lenovo Tech World India 2025 event in Mumbai, Ola's CIO Navendu Agrawal revealed that this new model will have 700 billion parameters, a massive upgrade from Krutrim's earlier models. So basically, it is going to be a super smart AI and they want it to compete with the best in the world. He said, "We are proud to show that India can build top tier AI." So this announcement also follows Bhavish Agrawal's major investment plan. He's already put 2,000 crore into Krutrim and plans to boost that to 10,000 crore by next year. On March 9th, it was reported that OpenAI is planning to launch 3 advanced AI agents, each focused on providing expert level knowledge in different areas. So, one of these agents is said to have a PhD level intelligence and will come with a hefty $20,000 monthly subscription fee. Now, another agent will specialize in software development, and the third one is expected to be an expert in income related work. So, these AI agents are designed to offer highly specialized support, showing that OpenAI is moving towards more targeted, high end AI services. So, friend, it's clear that AI isn't slowing down, it is evolving fast, globalizing, and forcing every industry to adapt. So, that was all about the AI updates in March 2025. Stay tuned for more.